Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will show you how to repair the speed and RPM pointer motor adaptable to Magneti Marelli and Jaeger instrument clusters using Minitools part SEP-CoV2. For this repair you will need the tweezers, Minitools part SEP-CoV2. Use the tweezers to undo the 4 plastic clips as shown. Open the motor. Remove from the internal gear the broken plastic part causing the malfunction. Fit the internal spring in the new cover, which must be housed as shown. Insert the spindle and turn it anti-clockwise. Push past to detent to ensure that the underlying spring is loaded. Holding the spindle with 2 fingers in order to keep the spring loaded, fit the motor. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools to repair dashboards. Thank you for choosing Minitools.